Hey, it's Ramey here at the UMI Performance Race Shop in front of part number 2255 Caster Camber Kit for 6th Gen Camaro. It fits the years 2016 through 2024 of the Camaro. They allow you to adjust camber and caster on all popular coilover systems. You can see here that the caster is adjustable in a caterpillar hole, and we actually lock that in once it's set, and the caster will not move. The camber is also adjustable. You can change the camber for spirited driving or autocross, road race, or even drag race. Pretty awesome there. 2024 aluminum, hard anodized. All of the hardware is machined in-house by us so that it'll fit multiple struts. Good to go there. We're actually in front of a Viking strut in this case. You can see the hat here on the Viking spring. So it fits properly on there. Fits on the Viking strut. And then the custom nut fits on the Viking strut as well. So that all goes together to make your 6th Gen handle awesome. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.